In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for duplicates in Excel. Let's dive into a very useful skill that can save you tons of time when working with data in Microsoft Excel: identifying duplicate entries. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking submissions, or just trying to clean up your data, detecting duplicates is crucial. Luckily, Excel Online offers a straightforward way to pinpoint these repetitions without breaking a sweat. To start off, you'll need access to Microsoft 365 Online. If you don't already have it, it's easy to sign up for free. This will give you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other tools right from your web browser. Once you've signed up or logged in, you can begin the process of checking for duplicates. First things first, sign into your Microsoft account by clicking on the Sign In button on the Microsoft 365 Online page. This step is paramount because without access to your account, you won't be able to open or edit any Excel documents. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Go ahead and type in your email address in the provided field. Then hitting Next will guide you through the rest of the sign-in process, such as password entry. Once logged in, navigate to the Excel document you wish to check for duplicates. For this tutorial, we're assuming you have a document ready, which we'll refer to as example.xlsx. Open this document by clicking on it. It's important to know where your document is saved. It could be in your recent documents list, or you might need to navigate through your folders in OneDrive. With your document open, the next step is to highlight the data you want to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells, or by clicking on the column headers if you're checking entire columns. Now let's get to the heart of the matter: highlighting those duplicates. Look for the Conditional Formatting button in the Home tab of the ribbon, which contains all the tools you need for this task. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria, such as being duplicate values. After clicking on Conditional Formatting, move your cursor over Highlight Cell Rules. This will display a submenu with various options for highlighting cells. From this menu, select Duplicate Values. This action will bring up a dialog box that presents you with several choices for how you'd like your duplicates to be highlighted. In this dialog box, you can make formatting decisions. You'll notice that Excel automatically selects a default format for highlighting duplicates, but don't feel stuck with it. Click on the drop-down menu under Format Style to explore other color options or set up a custom format that suits your needs better. This level of customization allows you to make the duplicate values stand out in a way that's visually distinct and aligned with your preferences. Once you've made your selection, all that's left to do is click Done. Immediately, Excel will process your command and apply the chosen formatting to any duplicate values within your selected data range. Just like that, duplicates in your document will be easy to spot thanks to the formatting you applied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check for and highlight duplicate entries in an Excel document using Excel Online. This skill can be incredibly handy for cleaning up and organizing your data, making sure that everything you work with is as accurate as possible. Remember, the clearer your data, the more reliable your analyses, reports, or whatever else you use Excel for will be. Practice this a few times and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for following along. Until next time, happy excelling.